flex. He wanna fuck with Coca, then he gotta spend a check. They thinking that I'm lucky, I'm knowing that I'm blessed. You feel a way about Coca, then say it with your chest. Bitches big man, tell them hoes.
Hey y'all, Coca, and this is gonna be a hair and stuff video. I forgot to record an intro per usual, but yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and go check out my new song called Sorry for the Wait. It'll be linked in the description below. Let's get into the video. Okay, so the first thing that I do is I bring a whole bag with me that has all my hair stuff in it, and I just start off by getting a cap and cutting it. This is an old wig cap because I couldn't find my new ones, but that's okay. You gotta use what you have. Don't stress yourself out. Just get a regular wig cap. It's not that deep. Cut your ear holes, and I like to lay my wig cap in place with regular glue. If you guys know some wig glue that doesn't irritate your hairline, please comment them down below, because my hairline broke out like crazy, and I didn't like that, and I don't like that. But yeah, this is just me cutting the cap like you niggas need to do, because it's pitiful at this point. Anyway, yeah, this is just me cutting off the cap. Wow. So we're still cutting? Cool. Do 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 do. I go on with this palette. I forget what it's called, but it looks like that. You guys can find it at the beauty supply store. I got mine off of Amazon though. It's really a cool palette, but yeah, whatever. I just went in with some alcohol and was cleaning up the hairline area so my glue could lay right. Ooh, the bust down. Not the bust down. Not the bust down. Yeah. Like, she looked like she Puerto Rican, like, for real. Like, what she mixed with? Anyway, make sure y'all put a thick layer. Like, not thick as in a lot of glue, but, like, make sure that it's, like, make sure you got, like, a finger space of glue. So, like, the whole front part could be laid down nicely. And then I just lay it down with the, what is it called? Elastic band. Yeah. Brush all the hairs back and cut your whatever. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Y'all lace. And make sure that y'all don't be leaving a lot of lace. And I like to cut with dull scissors, so it's not like a perfect cut. Look at Jill. He is the cutest. Say hi. Who did it? They did it? Auntie, fuck him up. Auntie, fuck him up. Who did it? They did it? Who? Who? They did it? That boy crazy. But after I lay my wig down, I always go in after to lay my ear tabs because I have long sideburns. And for some reason, it just doesn't lay sometimes. Look at him. He think he's so funny. Always pointing at somebody. Auntie, fuck him up. Auntie, fuck him up. They did it? Look at his dinosaur outfit. I really try to focus on my ear tabs.
Give Auntie kisses.
How do he just keep getting in my video?
That's my doobie. Auntie love her doobie. Yes, her doobie. Oh, shoot, his hair's in his glove. It's a little wet. But I promise you, in person, the lace is eating. Y'all see that? I'm about to fix it now. I'm such a baddie. Come on. This is me we talking about. Oh, she looks so good. Well, let me put it down a little bit.
She really be feeling herself. She is a baddie though. Oh, okay, Scout. But yeah, this is me just doing my edges, but I really like to focus on my ear tabs because those come up a lot when I don't get them separately. Like after I lay my lace, I like to separately go in with my ear tabs because they come up a lot when I don't do that. But this is just me melting it down.
Y'all, so it's 1 o'clock in the morning and I wasn't going to finish my hair. But why not?
Yeah, I had somewhere to be. Not this day, but the next day. And I didn't feel like doing all this the next day, so I did it all the previous night. But this is just me curling my edges and cutting them to how I like them. She is so freaking, oh my gosh, she is so cute. Like, for real. She's giving face. Look at her doing them edges. Ooh, hold up. What? This is the night where I really had, this is where I was going to wherever I was going. Stay tuned for the next video to know where I went. But yeah, she's eating the edges up real quick. They was a little too long, so I cut them down. I love those earrings. They're so cute. Get into the eyebrows and the face. I had hair on my face from cutting my edges, so I had to wipe that off. This is me concealing my part.
Alright, y'all, so this is the end of my hair video. If you guys like my hair, or if y'all want to, I didn't even say if you guys like my hair. If you guys want to see how I'm looking, tune into the next video, because the next video, you're not going to see what this look is for. I look bomb right now, like, am I that girl? I think I'm that girl. Until next time. Text. He wanna fuck with Coca, then he gotta spend a check. They thinking that I'm lucky. I'm knowing that I'm blessed. You feel a way about Coca, then say it with your chest. Bitches big mad, tell them